Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to scan documents on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Notes app. Once you're there, just simply tap on that empty space right there to reveal the keyboard. Then tap on the camera icon right there, and this menu will pop up. So simply tap on Scan Documents. Now you could take a picture. So let's say I want to take a picture or a document of this. As you can see, it automatically scanned and took a picture of it. I'll just tap on it, and now you can change or edit it. You could make it grayscale, black and white, or just the normal photo if you want. And you could also crop it. Let's say I just want this. Tap on done. You could also rotate it if you want. And once you're done, you could just simply tap on done at the top left corner, or you could either retake the photo. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.